Hello, my dear children. Welcome to your maths class. Children, today I have made this video here to share with you how we have to estimate the quotients. Now, quotient, as you all know, is basically the answer which we get after division. So, in this lesson, we will study how can we estimate the quotient for the division problems. Now, quick recap of the vocabulary used. Dividend, we all know the number which is to be divided. So, here 24. Divisor is the number by which we have to divide. So, here is our divisor. Divisor is 4. Then our quotient is the number that is the result of dividing. After we have divided, quotient क्या होता है? Quotient होता है हमारा वो आंसर जो कि डिवीजन के बाद आता है. सो 24 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 वी आर गेटिंग 6. सो 6 इज द quotient. Now division is basically helping us to separate the items or the total number of things into groups, and it is a very useful skill that we should learn, and it is very much applicable in our day-to-day lives. So let us see how we have found out this quotient problems. Now first, if we take this example, 287 divided by 42. So either ways you have to find out the quotient. Either you do that, you separate this 287 into 42 groups, or you simply use the division, and division is obviously the faster way. Now here we are talking about estimation. It's not only division, हमें estimate करना है. So now one way is simply to round off the nearest tens or hundreds. तो आपको जो number है, suppose here in the example the number is 258 and we have to divide it by 6. So you round off the dividend to the nearest tens or hundreds. तो यहाँ पे देखो 258 को round off कर दिया हमने nearest hundreds पे. So it is 300 now. Now the second way, the second step is use the rounding out dividend. Use that dividend जो आपने round off किया है and divide. Now 6 is the divisor. 6 को round off करने की ज़रूरत है नहीं because it's a unit digit number. So 300 divided by 6 we are getting 50. तो हमारा estimated quotient क्या हो गया? 50. Now let us take another example. In here 24, what is 24? Yes, 24 is the divisor. और 864 क्या है? 864 is the dividend. Now what we do? We have to estimate. So now 24 को estimate करते हैं rounding off to the nearest. हमने इसको राउंड ऑफ टू द नियरेस्ट टेंस कर लिया. सो इट इज 20 नाउ, एंड 864 हैज बीन राउंडेड ऑफ टू द नियरेस्ट हंड्रेड्स, दैट इज 900. अब 900 और 20 इसको हम लोग लेके चलेंगे. सो 900 डिवाइडेड बाय 20 व्हाट वी गेट? वी आर गेटिंग 45. यहाँ पे देखो 0 0 कट कर दिया एंड वी हैव इजीली सॉल्व्ड आउट. सो आवर आंसर इज, आवर क्वोशंट इज 45. नाउ 45 इज द एस्टिमेटेड क्वोशंट. अनदर एग्जाम्पल, 29 डिवाइडेड बाय 556. अब इसको हमने एस्टिमेट कर दिया. 556 राउंड ऑफ करके 600 हो गया. 29 इज राउंडेड ऑफ टू 30 और डिवाइड करेंगे 600 डिवाइडेड बाय 30 एंड वी आर गेटिंग 20. I hope children you are understanding now. So we have to just estimate our dividend and divisor. जो आपका dividend है, this is our dividend and this is our divisor. So we estimated it to get our estimated quotient. That is the simplest way of doing the estimation questions. So let us take a quick recap. First, as I said, round off the divisor to the nearest 10 or hundreds. ठीक है, हमने डिवाइजर को राउंड ऑफ कर लिया डिपेंडिंग अपॉन हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर. अगर सिंगल डिजिट है तो छोड़ देंगे, डबल डिजिट है तो डिवाइडर को राउंड ऑफ करते हैं नियरेस्ट टेंस पे, अगर 3 डिजिट्स हैं तो नियरेस्ट हंड्रेड्स पे. सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द डिजिट्स वी राउंड ऑफ. सिमिलरली वी आर राउंडिंग ऑफ द डिविडेंड. डिविडेंड को भी वैसे ही करेंगे, टेंस, हंड्रेड्स या थाउजेंड्स में उसको राउंड ऑफ कर देंगे so that all the digits except the first one are zeros. So now after rounding off, what we do? We are getting the estimated numbers. So now we divide these estimated dividend and divisor. ये जो हमने estimation किया है, we are now going to use that number. So estimated dividend and estimated divisor. एंड लास्टली वी हैव टू कंपेयर ऑल्सो. जो एक्चुअल है और एस्टिमेट है उसमें हम कंपेयर करके देख भी सकते हैं दैट हाउ our answer is close to the actual one. So this way children we will be doing the estimation questions. Now here are some practice questions for you. So you have to estimate the quotient, and these questions I have given you. Keeping into mind the explanation which I have done, you have to do these questions. Okay children, that's all for today. Thank you.